Hello. All right, we are doing week 2 of book reviews. So you should already have your packet. And if you don't have it right now, you can go ahead and pause this until you do have it. Remember, it's your book review packet that has all of the lines on it. And you also need a pencil and crayons. So I'm going to go ahead and wait until you have all of those things. Pause it if you don't have it. Otherwise, give me a big thumbs up. Okay, we're gonna get started. So we've been talking about book reviews. Do you remember? Who can remind me what is a book review? Good, go ahead and tell me, what's a book review? Good. A book review is just a review of a book, right? So it talks about how it tells what you think or what your opinion is on a book that was written, right? That is what a book review is. It's an opinion on the book that you have read. Now, let's talk about that word opinion again. An opinion, is it right or wrong? No, your opinion is your own opinion. It's what you believe to be true. So for example, thumbs up if you think that you believe that this is true, or thumbs down if your opinion is that it's wrong. Are you ready? Okay. Pizza is disgusting. That's my opinion. Do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? Good. Let's do another one. Are you ready? I love the winter. The winter is the best season out of all of the seasons. Do you agree with my opinion or do you not agree with my opinion? Good. What if I said, dogs are the best animals anybody could ever have? Do you agree with my opinion or disagree with my opinion? Good. Now remember, it's just an opinion, right? It's not something that you need to argue with people about. Sometimes people might say, oh, you think dogs are the best in the whole world? Why? Then you are giving your reasons for your opinions, just like we did on the book review. So I might say, I think or I believe that dogs are the best animals ever because they snuggle with you at night and they play with you and they're super fun to run around with. That's my opinion, right? Okay. You cannot give an opinion if you just say, I don't know. Why do you think that broccoli is the worst vegetable ever? You cannot say, I don't know. You could say, because I don't like the taste of it. Or you could say, because it's green and whenever I have it, that means that we always have steak and I don't like steak either. And so broccoli and steak together, I don't like. That's fine. That's your opinion, but you need to be able to back up that opinion. That's what we were talking about last week with book reviews, right? We have to be able to tell why we like or do not like parts of the book. Now, we did a whole bunch of book reviews last week. This week, we're going to do a whole bunch of book reviews also. Last week, I let you choose whatever part of the book to do a book review about. This week, we are going to each day focus on a different way to do a book review. Remember, there are characters in every single book. There are the story events that take place. And then there are the illustrations. Today, we are going to talk about the characters. Okay, so you just listened to Mr. Boland read the book, Where the Wild Things Are. Now, think in your head, what is your opinion about the book? Did you like the book? Did you think the book was okay? Or did you not like the book? But hold on. You need to think about the character. So think about Max. Think about all of the wild things. Did you like the characters in the book? Did you think the characters were okay, or did you not like the characters in the book? That's what you're going to be focusing on today in your book review. So I will help get you started. Let's go ahead and take out our paper. I'm going to share my screen with you so you can see what I am working on. All right. Now, you know that your name goes up on the top. I'll see if I can make this bigger. There we go. Okay, the title. It's a big title. Remember, with your title, you need to, what happened here? With your title, you need to make sure that you are writing small, right? Oh, there we go. Now I'm fixing it. Okay, so here we go. Where the Wild Things Are. W. There we go. What's going on? W. Oh, there we go. W-H-E-R-E. Finger space. The. Where the wild things. W-I-L-D space, where the wild things. T-H-I-N-G-S, where the wild things are. So finger space, A-R-E. Now, if you notice, this doesn't exactly, it sort of fits. But if it doesn't fit, remember, you can always use the line underneath. Just try to make sure that you are not going completely off of the page, right? All right, let me see if I can make this a little bit smaller for you. All right, now think of the characters. Remember, we are only doing a book review on the characters today, not on the story of the book, just the characters. All right, so you can either do your happy face, your okay face, or your I did not like it face. Think of only the characters. Remember, we're coloring in with crayon, not with pencil. All right, show me thumbs up if you did like the characters. Show me thumbs to the side if you thought the characters were okay. And show me thumbs down if you did not like the characters. Good. All right. The majority of you said you did like the characters. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to color in I did like it. Then draw your favorite part of the book, but it has to be the characters. The favorite part of the book with the what? The characters, right? Now, let me see. I can draw. You use your crayon and draw your favorite part. And I will see how well I can draw this. Okay, if you need to pause it, you can absolutely pause it. Otherwise, let's see if I can insert my picture into here. Nope, I can't. I tried. But let me show you my favorite part. My favorite part is the one that looks like this one. Do you see it? It's the one where Max is riding on top of the wild things, and he has his big crown on his head, and his hand is on his hip, and he has his, I think it's like a king thing holding it up, and he is so, I see his face and he is so happy and proud, and I love that. And then the wild things are just happy and they're marching him along. That's one of my favorite parts of the story, with the characters at least. So I would draw that, and then my opinion. Now you remember it says either I liked it because, or I did not like it because. Do you have to actually write those words, I liked it or I didn't like it because? I'm waiting for you to answer. Yes, you do, don't you? You have to keep with the words I like or I don't like because. Otherwise, you are not giving your opinion on the book. All right, so I will get started with my own. I, finger space, liked it because, now remember, you have to talk about the characters. Why did you like the characters? I'm going to say, now remember, you can copy me or you don't have to. It's up to you. You can do your very own. I liked it because, I liked it because the characters were they were really silly. I loved how some of the wild things had like duck feet, and then they had a different horn, and then they had different ears, and then some had feathers and some had fur, but it was like all mixed up. That's what I loved about it. So that's what I'm going to write. You think of something that you like about the characters. Now remember, when you are done, you will take a picture in Seesaw under the book review page and show it to me, okay? If you need to go back and review this, you can go ahead and do this, or you can go ahead and listen to Mr. Boland read the book, The Wild Things, one more time if you don't remember something about it. All right, I'll see you tomorrow.